Hello, learners. Hello. This is CAT 2023 LR Foundation on Linear Arrangement. I'm Parikshit Saikia and welcome to this very exciting session on Unacademy CAT-alyst. This is going to be a great session, a lot of amazing linear arrangement caselets, and this is meant for CAT 2023 and CAT 2024 aspirants. Let's get started. Okay, my favorite slide. 75 plus of our learners on Unacademy have scored 99 plus percentile, and 110 plus learners have scored 98 plus percentile. So if you are a CAT 2023 aspirant, do definitely join us, because you know what? You can also be a topper very soon. And yes, we have the Unacademy scholarship test scheduled on January 15 and January 29, 12 to 1 p.m. Do definitely register. And I have two new upcoming plus courses, right? Uh, 11 Jan, Wednesday, we started with the first course on quants, permutation, combination, and probability, a complete course. And then a foundation course on LRTI, which started today, the 12th of Jan. So if you think that you wish to enroll with us, if you want to enroll with us and enroll because you want to learn 100% of your CAT syllabus, then you can always subscribe to Unacademy Plus. Currently, an offer is running wherein you get a maximum discount, flat 25%, and you can use this code Parikshit Live, right, to enroll. Remember, if you use this code, you will not only get the maximum discount, but the best part is you will also get free mentorship from my side. What is free mentorship? It's all about helping you beyond your class hours. So at any point of time, you are practicing at home, you have a doubt, you have a query, could be any question, right, from anywhere. You can connect with me one-on-one over a call to get your query resolved with the free mentorship only available for those students who join Plus using the code Parikshit Live, which is there at the bottom of your screen. Chalo, let's get started with today's class. Okay, first set on your screen. As always, I will give you 2 minutes to give it a try, and then we'll do it together. Fine? 2 minutes, all yours. Give it a try, and we'll do it together. Okay, take 2 minutes. 2 minutes to start the case. Yeah, read it carefully, not difficult. Definitely, nothing is difficult in the CAT, right? I always say everything is very easy. It's just like a jigsaw puzzle. Got to try fitting the pieces together. If it doesn't fit, take them out, try the next piece, and it'll definitely fit sometime or the other. The only challenge is how quickly can you do this, right? Okay, give it a try. Moment you get the answer, definitely type the answer. Moment you get the answer, definitely type the answer, okay? I'm looking at the comments. Anytime you get the answer, feel free to type the answer. I'll give you 2 minutes, and after that only I will start solving. Check if you're getting it. Check if you're getting it. Okay. I think I gave you some time at least to read the question, to get started. And in the interest of time, right, we can always get started together. In the interest of time, we can always get started together. Fine? Okay. Start karte. Seven boys, Rajan, Shyam, Vardhan, Mithal, Vimal, Raj, and Kishan, are sitting in a row. The first thing I always check is, are the first alphabets unique? So you have R, S, V, M, V, R, K. No, they're not unique. Can you see there are two V's? So be careful. And two R's. So you got to be careful. Two V's and two R's. So you just can't take the first alphabet, right? You'll go wrong. So be careful. There are seven boys sitting in a row. Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan and third to the right of Rajan. Okay. So let's draw it. Let's draw it. There are 7 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine? Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue reading it. What do they say? They are saying Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan. Think about it. Shyam is to the immediate left of Vardhan. There are multiple possibilities. It could be 1, 2. It could be in positions 2, 3, 3, 4. So many, right? So definitely not the best statement to get started. Definitely not the best statement to get started. And remember, we say there are 2 names. So I will say S, and Vardhan I'm writing VAR because there is one Vimal also. Okay, so many possibilities, not the best statement to get started. And then they say Shyam sits third to the right of Rajan. Shyam is third to the right of Rajan. Again, multiple possibilities. I don't know where will Shyam sit, and because I don't know where is Shyam, there are multiple possibilities for Mitra as well, right? So we'll hold on. And then they say, whereas Mitra, who sits at the left extreme. Wow, this is something I love. Why? Because it gives you a fixed position. There are not many possibilities. There is just one possibility. Mitra is at the left extreme. So let's put Mitra at the left extreme. You have Mitra at the left extreme. And they say Mitra is next to Kishan. Mitra is next to Kishan. So Kishan also's position is fixed. He will go at number 2. Kishan will go at number 2. Super awesome. M and K are fixed. Right? So let's continue. Next they say, I think there's only one more line which I have not taken care of. What is that line? They are saying Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan, which I've already written. Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan, which I've already written. And third to the right of Rajan. Now think about it. Third to the right. So basically, if you think about it, Rajan is gonna be out. Rajan is gonna be out here. So let's just write it properly so that I have some enough space. There isn't enough space. Let me write it properly. Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan. Okay. Shyam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan. Right. So think about it. If Shyam is out here, Vardhan is gonna be out here. And they say Shyam is third to the right of Rajan. So think about it. Rajan is gonna be out here. Rajan is gonna be out here, and Shyam is third to the right of Rajan. Third. So this is how it will be. So basically, if you're looking at the diagram which is there at the bottom of your screen, there are 5 positions. Can you see? There are 5 positions. Can you see? 5 positions at the bottom. Can you say 5 positions I have written? Vardhan, Shyam, 2 gaps, and then Rajan. So think about it. In your main diagram where I marked 1 to 7, the only possibility is this will fit. This will fit only if Rajan occupies position number 3. Will you agree? The diagram at the bottom of your screen will only fit in the main diagram if Rajan is at position number 3. Why? Because remember, you need 5 empty spaces. So that's it. I got it. So Rajan will go at number 3. Shyam will go at the 6, and Vardhan will go at 7. Are we clear on this? Sapna is saying first answer is Vardhan. Okay, Sapna will check. We will check. So that's it. That's all that you can fill reading the question. Okay. So let's look at the answer. Let's look at the questions now. First one. Who is sitting to the immediate right of Shyam? Who is sitting to the immediate right of Shyam? Did we leave anything? Did we leave anything? I mean, immediate right of no. We have not left anything, but there are possibilities, right? Where there are 2 blanks. So these 2 blanks I can't fill. I have to go with the question. Okay. So first one is, who is sitting to the immediate right of Shyam? Immediate right of Shyam is Vardhan. So your first answer is Vardhan. Next, if Vardhan and Kishan exchange places with each other, okay, Vardhan and Kishan, right? So remember, this is number 2 is Kishan. Number 2 is Kishan. So they are saying Vardhan and Kishan exchange positions with each other. So 2 and 7 are exchanging positions. Without changing the rest of the arrangement that is already done, who will be sitting to the immediate left of Rajan? So immediate left of Rajan is number 2. Immediate left of Rajan is number 2, and number 2 obviously will be Vardhan. Remember, Vardhan had changed his seat with Kishan. So obviously answer is gonna be Vardhan. So remember, this data, this specific data about exchanging seats is limited to question 2. So in question 3, you cannot carry the same data. You cannot carry the data. So basically, we are back to our original arrangement that Kishan is at 2 and Vardhan is at 7. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. If only Shyam sits between Raj and Vardhan, only Shyam is between Raj and Vardhan. Think about it. Vardhan is at number 7. Shyam is at number 6. And they say only Shyam is between Raj and Vardhan. So can I say Raj has to be at number 5? Why? Because they are saying only one guy, Shyam, is between Vardhan and Raj. That would mean Raj would be at number. Got it. If Raj is at number 5, who is exactly in the middle? Exactly in the middle is the only guy remaining. Who is the only guy remaining? The only guy remaining is Vimal, and that's your answer to the third question. I see Sapna is getting all of them correct. Super, super, super awesome. Perfect. I appreciate it. Perfect. Right? So remember, whatever you wrote because of question 3 extra kya diya tha? Shyam is between Raj and Vardhan, so we could figure out 4 and 5. So anything which is purple in color was limited to this question, and I'm going to rub it off because that doesn't apply to the next question. That doesn't apply to the next question. So next question, we are going to go back again. We are going to go back and read it again. Okay. Number 4. Which of the following cannot confirm the sitting arrangement of all the boys? Now think about it. Sitting arrangement of all the boys में there are only 2 boys missing. Who are the boys missing? एक तो Vimal is missing, एक तो Vimal is missing, and दूसरा Raj is missing. Remember, Raj and Vimal are the only 2 people missing. So they will come at 4 and 5 in any order. So if Vimal comes at 4, Raj is gonna come at 5, or vice versa. If Raj comes at 4, Vimal is gonna come at 5. So any option which talks about Raj and Vimal will be my answer. Right? Question is about which of the following options can confirm the sitting arrangement. So any option that talks about Raj or Vimal will be able to confirm the sitting arrangement of all the boys. Of all the boys. That's important. Chalo, start karte hain. Let's get started. Okay. First is, they are saying Raj is to the immediate right of Rajan, whereas Vimal, which of the following cannot confirm? So they are saying cannot confirm. So 3 of them will talk about the Raj and Vimal, and one of the options will not give you the position of Raj and Vimal. And that will be your answer. Option A talks about Raj, and they are saying Raj is to the immediate right of Rajan. Moment someone tells you Raj is to the immediate right of Rajan, immediately you know that Raj is at position 4. And moment Raj is known, Vimal is automatically known. In that case, Vimal will be at position 5. So this gives you the sitting arrangement of all the boys. Cannot be your answer. Question is saying which does not give. Next, option 2. Mitra and Raj have 2 people between them. Mitra and Raj. Now think about it. Mitra is at number 1. If I tell you Mitra and Raj have 2 people between them, that automatically means Raj is gonna be at number 4. Why? Because Mitra and Raj have 2 people between them. So if Mitra is at 1, automatically you can say Raj will be at 4. And if you know Raj, you know Vimal. So obviously you know the sitting arrangement of all the people. Cannot be yours. Same. Raj and Kishan have 2 people between them. Again, where is Kishan? Kishan is at number 2. Kishan is at number 2. So if I were to tell you Raj and Kishan have 2 people between them, I am automatically telling you Raj is gonna be at number 5. Number 5. And if I know Raj, I know Vimal. So option C also gives you the sitting arrangement of all the people. Cannot be the answer. D has to be the answer. Rajan and Shyam have 2 people between them. So remember, Rajan and Shyam have 2 people between them is something that I already know. I already know Rajan. I already know Shyam. Rajan and Shyam is something I already know. So this is not helping me with any new information. Hence, cannot be my answer is option B. I again see Sapna getting it correct. Super awesome. Any doubt on this? Are we clear on this? Can I go to the next case then? Can I go to the next case then? Any doubt on this? Clear? Clear? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Try out the next case then. Try out the next case then. 2 minutes, all yours. 2 minutes, all yours. Give it a try. 2 minutes. Check if you're getting it. Not a difficult one, okay? Not a difficult one. Try to first draw 9 empty positions, 9 draw lines, right? 9 small lines you draw and try to fit these people, right? That's the challenge. Definitely not difficult. And moment you get the answer, you please type the answer. Getting it? I'm waiting. Anyone on the verge of getting an answer? मुश्किल तो नहीं है, right? Okay. In the interest of time, we will do it together. In the interest of time, we will do it together. Okay, let's start. 9 people A to I are seated in a row. So let's draw the positions. Let's draw the positions. 9 people, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am labeling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got to arrange 9 people. Fine? Okay. Let's continue. The seats are numbered from 1 to 9 from left to right as per the following restriction. So Sonu is saying 5 ka option B. Okay. Sonu, we are going to check. We'll check. What's the first restriction? C, F, and I sit together. C, F, and I together. So let's write it down. Let's write it down. What is the first restriction? C, F, and I together. There are many possibilities. And again, this is not the best one to get started. Think about it. CFI could be 1, 2, 3. It could be 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So many possibilities. So definitely not the best statement to get started. Next, E is to the immediate right of H. E is to the immediate right of H. Sapna, I see, is giving me the answers. We'll check Sapna. E is to the immediate right of H. Again, multiple options. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So many possibilities are there. What are they saying? E is to the immediate right of H. So H है और उसका बगल में E. H है उसका बगल में E है, but many possibilities. So I'm not going to put it in the diagram. Next, B sits in the fourth seat from the left 10. I think brings a smile on my face. Why? Because in this case, position of B is fixed. Fourth seat from the left 10 automatically means B is gonna be at number 4. B is gonna be at number 4. So can I put B at number 4? This has been taken care. And D sits in the third set from the right end. D is third from the right. So third from the right, again another smile on my face. Why? Third from the right. Right side say third means D is at number 7. Remember, right side say already. Awesome. And then they say E is not between B and D. So for sure, this cannot be E. So I'm crossing it out. This cannot be E. I am crossing it out. Yes, this too cannot be E. Yes, I think we are good. I think we are good. There was one more statement which said before this, E is to the immediate right of H. E is to the immediate right of H. Can you see that statement? E is to the immediate right of H. Now think about it. E and H are together, immediate right. And C, F and I are together. Now think about it. E and H cannot be at 1, 2, 3. E and H cannot be at 1, 2, 3. Why? Because if E and H occupies, let's say 1, 2 or 3, may say if E and H comes here, where will CFI go? Remember, the only place for CFI, these three are together in any order, that's important, is 1, 2, 3. CFI in any order can go in 1, 2, 3. That's the only place. Otherwise, CFI cannot go in 5 and 6. There is no place. CF and I cannot go in 8 and 9. No place. So the only possibility is CFI has to go in 1, 2, 3 in any order. That would mean H and E will either go at 5, 6 or 8, 9. 5, 6 may not possible for the simple reason E is not between B and B. That would mean the only and only empty space is for H and E to come at 8 and 9. H and E to come at 8 and 9. And we should be good. We should be good. And remember, CFI, FI, they are together in any order. Together in any order. That's important. They are together, but they are in any order. CFI are together. So we don't know the order. It could be CFI, it could be CIF, it could be FIC, it could be FCI, it could be IFC, it could be ICF. In any order, they are together. Right? Okay. Now think about it. Who are the other people remaining? Who are the other people remaining? So CFI chala jayega. CFI will go here in any order. In any order, they will go here. The remaining people remaining are, I think, are A bacha hai, or G bacha hai. So the A and G will have to come at 5 and 6 in any order. So if A goes at 5, G goes at 6, or vice versa. If G goes at 5, A goes at 6. Right? If A goes at 5, G goes at 6, or vice versa. If G goes at 5, A goes at 6. We are done. We are done. Let's get started with the questions. Let's get started with the questions. Okay. First one. If G sits to the immediate left of D, G is to the immediate left of D. What does it mean? It simply means G is gonna be at number 6. G is gonna be at number 6. Yes. If G is at, remember, G is to the immediate left of D. So G is at number 6. In that would mean A would be at number 5. Question is, who is at the center of the row? Obviously, center of the row is number 5. And number 5 is A. Answer is option B. Answer is option B. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Are we clear? 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 I see many of you giving me the correct answer. Sonu, super awesome. You got it correct. Perfect. Sapna, you got it correct. Perfect. Any doubt in this? Clear? Awesome. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Remember, you cannot carry data from one question to the next. You cannot. So you're simply going to remove this. You are simply going to remove this because you cannot carry data from one question to the next. Right? Okay. So I'm just marking it. It is AG or GA. AG or GA. Okay. Number 6. If F sits between C and I, F is between C and I. So F got to be at number 2. F got to be at number 2. Right? If F is at number 2, question is, in how many ways can these 9 persons be arranged? Can these 9 persons be arranged? Now think about it. How will you arrange these 9%? How will you arrange? If f is a number 2, okay, now think about it. Let's try to fill it logically. Let's try to fill it logically. I'm going to rub this also so that we understand what we are doing. We understand what we are doing. So this is AG or GA. AG hoga or GA. Right? Okay. If f is a number 2, what are the possibilities? Think about it. Let's say एक बार C यहाँ आएगा और I यहाँ आएगा. If C and I comes here, okay, there are two possibilities. Right now, there are two ways. Why? One would be AG, one would be GI. Will you agree? One would be AG. So, एक बार 5 में A आएगा. So, it could be AG or GA. So, two ways. AG or GA. Two ways. Right? So, CFI में there are two ways. 5, 6 में AG or GA. And another two ways would be, so instead of CFI, remember they are only saying F is at the center. They are only saying F is at the center. It could be IFC. It could be IFC. So if you have IFC, again two ways. Which are the two ways? AG or GA. AG or GA. So another two ways. So can I say 2 plus 2 answer is 2 plus 2 answer is. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Clear? Clear? Awesome. That's the correct answer for the second one is option B. Answer for the second one is option B. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Number 7. Who is at one extreme end of the row? Extreme end. Extreme end में E is fixed. E definitely is at the extreme of the row. Extreme end में E है. So can I say C also, F also, I also? No. C, F, I में कोई भी आ सकता है. Remember, extreme end मतलब we are looking at number 1 and number 9. Number 1 में anyone can come. It could be C, it could be F, it could be I. I am not sure. It could be any of them. So they will not be the answer. Answer will be E because E for sure is at the extreme end of the row. Answer is option C. Clear? And number 8. If I sits at one extreme end, okay, I is at the extreme end, इसका मतलब हो गया I will be at number 1. I will be at number 1. And F sits to the immediate left of B. So B is at 4. B is at 4. If B is at 4 and F is to the immediate left of B, can I say F will be at number 3? F will be at number 3. F is to the immediate left of B. So F will be at number 3. Then the question is, then in how many ways can all be seated? Now think about it. CFI are together. CFI are together. You know I, you know F. So the only possibility is C will go at 2 because CFI are together. Question is, how many ways they can be seated? Simple. I only don't know 5 and 6. 5 and 6 I don't know. So there are two possibilities. AG or GA. So one possibility is 5 and 6 may AG. Another possibility is 5 and 6 may GA. Answer is option B. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Any doubt on this? Do you follow? Do you follow this? Yes? Yes? Answer is option B. Absolutely correct. Lovey, absolutely correct. Let's go to one more. Let's go to another one. The next one. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Let's go to the next one. Okay. 2 minutes. All yours. 2 minutes. All yours. Get me an answer. Easy one. Very easy. Get me an answer for this. This is the 9th question of the day that we are doing. So remember, if you're following me, this is the 4th class. अगर चारों class पूरा देखते हो, trust me, linear arrangements will become super easy for you. Try to get me an answer. Once you get the answer, do type the answer. Getting it? I'm looking at it. Someone might get me an answer. Just two-line question, right? Just a two-liner question. I keep looking at my YouTube comments. Anyone with the doubts? Anyone with the doubts? Anyone with any doubt or you are getting the answer? Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Okay, chalo. Four people A, B, C, and D arrive to attend a meeting. Okay, Sapna is saying option B. Okay, Sapna will check. D arrives 10 minutes after B. Okay, so basically sequence में D and B में से B is before D. Will you agree? D and B में से B is before D because D is arriving after B. And you know what? D arrives 20 minutes before A. D is before A. So D is before A. So till now I have got the sequence. D is after B but before A. Okay, that's going to be the sequence BDA. And A arrives 10 minutes before C. And A, you know what, is 10 minutes before C. So A is before C. Who is the first person to arrive at the meeting? Super easy. Answer is B. It cannot get easier than this. Are we clear on this? Are we? It's just about putting it in order, right? You got to try. You got to try. You got to note it down. And after that, things will fall in place. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Clear? Clear? Yes? Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. Just to remind you, I have just started my complete course on LRDI, complete foundation course on LRDI today on Unacademy Plus. If you have a doubt, what is the difference between a Plus course and a YouTube course? YouTube courses are like the trailers of the movie, right? We do only a few questions or limited number of questions. But if you want to do thousands and thousands of caselets, and cover 100% of your syllabus, each topic discussed in details, then you definitely got to join us on Unacademy Plus. I started my first class of CAT 2023 LRDI today, the 12th of Jan. Timings are going to be 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. It's a foundation course, complete coverage. So if you decide to join Unacademy Plus and be a part of my live classes every day, right? Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays are going to be meant for quants, and Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are going to be meant for LRDM. You can join me live on Plus. Do subscribe to Unacademy Plus using the code Parikshit Live. Currently, you are getting flat 25% off offer children. Flat 25% off you will get if you subscribe to Unacademy Plus using this code Parikshit Live. Definitely use this code because there are multiple benefits. A, flat 25% off with a limited period offer children. That's the first benefit. Benefit number two, this is the only code which will get you free mentorship or from my side. What is free mentorship? It's all about helping you beyond the class hours. So at any point of time, if you have a doubt, if you have a query while practicing at home, okay, and if you have joined Unacademy Plus using the code Parikshit Live, you will be able to connect with me one-on-one over a call to get your queries resolved. But that free mentorship wala jo part hai na, is only and only applicable if you join Plus using the code Parikshit Live. Free mentorship from my side. And if you have not joined my Telegram group yet, do join the Telegram group because all my class updates happen in this Telegram group. Okay. I'm going to take another YouTube session tomorrow night, 10 p.m. same time, right? Linear arrangement part 5. Till now, 4 classes are over. Please make sure that you go through all the 4 videos in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today was the 4th class. And trust me, once you do that, you'll be super confident about linear arrangements. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you have, do please hit the like button on your screen, right? I'll see you in my next session. Till then, stay safe and happy learning, folks.